Welcome, friends. My name is Avinash and I welcome all of you to another interesting episode of Corporate Face to Face series. Friends, as all of you are aware, in these episodes, we introduce to you emerging companies from emerging sectors, and we make it a point to talk to the promoters and the top managements of such companies so that all of us can understand these companies in a much better way. In this process, we get a lot of valuable information from the top management, the promoters, as regards the company's business model, their growth journey, their future growth plans, and which helps all the investors to take a very conscious call when they invest in such companies. And friends, today we are going to talk about another interesting company which operates in a very niche space and which is planning to go public. The company's name is Happy Square Outsourcing Services Limited. And I have the privilege of having promoter Shraddha Rajpal with me. Shraddha ji, welcome to the show, and thank you very much
Thank,
for your valuable time. Yeah.
thank you, my pleasure.
Okay. And we also have Deepika Ondela, who's the director of the company. Deepika ji, welcome to the show. Thank you for your time also. So, Shraddha ji, without wasting time, I think let's start with the questions. I want the first answer from you. If you could tell us and all our investors about, the business model of our company, what are the products and services we offer to our clients, and broadly,
Yeah.
what is the positioning of our company in the domestic market? If you could please share your thoughts.
Answer. So here at Happy Square Outsourcing Services, we are basically a tech-driven company. We work on a AI model, and we provide services, end-to-end outsourcing services to our clients in India as well as in the international market.
Okay, right.
And
And
like our services includes recruitment, tempered hiring, then end-to-end services like payroll, staffing, and we provide onboard facilities to our clients also. And on tempered hiring, we are hiring in the national market in the places where the clients are there. We provide services to them at their places itself.
okay. No, understood. Shraddha ji, a little bit about the business journey. Is it a first generation company which you started, or it came from your father and then you took it over? Anything on this? If you could share your, journey of the business, that would also help us understand you better.
Fine. It is the first generation company itself. We are right now still we are the budding company, and we are here providing services since 10 years and more. And it's like we are from Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur, basically a B town city, but still we are exploring as our vision about a company is like, as it's been mentioned, that as our logo is there, that we good people need big people need big company, so we are there for providing services to them.
Okay. No, no, I think very nicely articulated by you. In these last 10 years, can you tell us, what are the kind of challenges you faced and how you have come out of it successfully? Because, running a business and that too for a period of 10 years, obviously you've come through a very big journey, ma'am. Some challenges which you could have faced in the past and how you have actually managed to, make the business well positioned in the domestic market.
It's like basically we faces in HR as a payroll, we face difficulties like capital, client payment, because we need advance payment. So for that we need to have capital investment with us so that we can rotate our payment process. And this is the only basic thing we have need to like improvise on, because as a HR company we need to have a fund, means a bulk of funds, so that we can pay on the proper time to our clients.
Correct. No, no, understood. Shraddha ji, now tell me one thing. How many permanent employees would we be having on our rolls, and which are the sectors which actually are of main focus area for us?
Okay, we are basically in-house. We are having 250 employees, and as tempered hiring, we are having 5,000, 15,000 plus, and basically we are more on logistic industries. Then we are into this retail, e-commerce, and we are targeting on IT and software, FMCG, consumer durables, and manufacturing healthcare also.
So I think very well diversified basket of clients. I want to understand, we did about 97 crores for FY25. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And out of this
Yeah.
97 crores, Shraddha can you tell us what is the major sector which contributed to this top line? Like whether it was logistic, FMCG. If you could give us a broad, rough kind of breakup, how much, percentage came from which segment? I mean, broadly.
Basically, it is from the moreover we are for from the temporary hiring we get the major that is from the government sector we get the major revenue from our income, and
Okay.
then from the logistics sectors we are very good in that, and then like Blinkit, then Google Pay, we are these are our major clients, and
Okay.
Reliance Retail, Tata, these are our major clients. We get the revenue from these sectors more.
Okay. Okay. No, understood. I think very nice, clientele you people have. Now let me ask you a simple macro-related question. I think we have come to a figure of close to about 100 crores for this financial year. In a very broad sense, over the next say 3 to 5 years, how do you see this market growing? How big can be the opportunity for us, and how will our company capitalize? If you could please share your thoughts.
As the market for us will be a boom because we are AI driven company, and these days AI is is the most needed one, and we are as a AI driven company we are having our own ATS system which we are working on, and our software and all software like payroll software and our own internal software all is AI driven, then this will be our USP in the market.
Okay, so basically, please correct me if I'm wrong. I think I understand from you that the runway for growth for us available in the next 3 to 5 years is quite significant. So there's ample
Right,
opportunity for us to grow, right?
right.
Okay. Okay, now just one broad question. We are in an industry which obviously has competition. Tell me one thing: what is the level of competitive intensity? Because I was seeing your financial numbers. Pretty good EBITDA numbers, pretty good revenue numbers. So, ma'am, if you could tell us what is the broad competitive intensity in our industry? Is it like you got to prove yourself? You got to have good experience. Then only clients like Blinkit or Reliance, these people come and take services from you. So is it like that, or basically is the industry very price sensitive? Like there is a lot of undercutting in the business, or people obviously go to only quality vendors like you. If you could please share your thoughts on these elements.
Actually, it happens. We basically initially we were struggling with that, but now as we are having good client with us like Reliance Retail, Tata, so we are not facing such problems in our sector. And I basically can say that we are having a good hold in our sector.
Okay, so understood. I think that is very positive for the company side. Now, tell me one thing. Let us keep the financials aside. You have run this business for the last 10 years. You have arrived at a very good position in the market. What is the value add which we give to clients? Like, why do clients come and give us large repeat business? How do clients feel that they are more secure with us? Any 2 or 3 qualitative points, ma'am, if you can share with us, which tells us that you do a better job in the entire industry, that would help us understand you, on the qualitative side in a better way.
Okay. Actually, first of all, we are AI driven. That is our USP, and this is the most wanted thing in our industry. And we are having our own advanced technology driven software, and this we are providing services to the clients as per their requirement and according to if they need in their city we provide them tempered hiring also by hiring people from their own city. Actually, we are a very flexible company who is providing services according to the need of the client.
Okay, okay, no, understood. Fine. Deepika ji, now sorry to keep you waiting. Next question to you is that is this business a order book driven business, or is it like clients who are existing clients, they give you regular business on a time to time based for their requirements? So how does this business work? If you could please share your thoughts.
Actually, we are tech-based company having in-house software, ATS recruitment software, payroll management software, and business development software. Okay. So actually, we have a tech-based company as a AI, our powerful tools, happiest resumes, and our biggest tool is posting 3,000 plus live job postings. And happiest resume service maintain a vast in-house database of live job posting, continue updates, and through their websites offering real times opportunity for both employee and job seekers.
Okay, so basically, please help me understand. Suppose somebody wants to take your surveys. I mean, is it like on an ongoing basis, or do you have some client like Shraddha ma'am told me that we do business with Blinkit, Reliance Retail? Are these customers
Many
having some sort of contract with us?
yes, sir. Many clients are there like DMarts, Blinkits, and many more.
Okay, fine. So basically, the large clients have some contractual relationship with us, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Now, Shraddha ji, on the financial side, I wanted to ask you a question. We have done a very good kind of growth in FY25. Top line is almost 97 crores. Previous year it was 69 crores. The
Right.
profit after tax also improved quite significantly. It is almost, if I'm not wrong, almost 5.4 crores. Tell me one thing, what was the key reason for this improvement? Like, top line growth has been very strong. Profitability has also been pretty good. So if you could tell us what were the key reasons for this improvement?
Yeah, the key reason of our growth is like higher deployment of contractual staff, which is our tempered hiring business, as I told you previously. Then expansion of client base in all the sectors like logistics and retail. And we are into this retail, logistic, blanket, and all other sectors, FMCG, consumer durables, and
Okay.
then we are having a better utilization of our tech platform, that is White Source. We have
Yeah.
basically have designed the IT driven platform for that. Then we are on to our cost cutting and operational leverages from our tech investment, as we have our own AI driven software, that is I told you previously also, that is a main basic like USP of our product, that is saving our revenue and helping us in growth.
Okay. So understood. Tell me now one thing which is the most important question for today. Is that what is the IPO plans for the company? We plan to go public, so what is the kind of capital we plan to raise from the market, and what is the main objective of using this money?
Okay. We want to raise capital for raise our working capital so that we can upgrade our technology, which is the most needed thing, and then expansion into the international market. As we are playing more in the Indian market, now we want more extension in our international market also. Then
Okay.
it's like expected size we can estimate around 12 to 15 crores, and that's it. We basically are focusing on the international market growth of our company.
Understood. Fine. Okay, now, Shraddha ji, now let us talk about the working capital side of the business, because our business requires working capital, as you rightly mentioned.
Yeah.
Typically, how
Yeah.
much time it takes for the customer to pay us? For example, whatever service we provide to the customer, in how many days
Yeah.
does the customer give us the cash flow? Any broad idea, please?
Yeah, actually, it's like working capital cycle revolves between 40 to 60 days of tenureship. we get returns between this period of time itself, 40 to 60 days.
Okay, understood. So basically 40 to 60 days is the average working capital
Yeah,
cycle. Another thing,
yeah,
Shraddhaji, I want to understand, this is from your, documents which you have shared, the prospectus and the presentation. We have seen that,
right.
very good numbers on the net profit level, very good numbers on the EBITDA level, but somehow, the
Yeah.
company has not been making positive operating cash flow. So, what is the reason for this? Is it because a lot of money gets delayed from maybe your government clients? And how do you plan to improvise this in the coming years?
Like basically, as I told you that we are into tempered hiring, so we need capital investment for that, and it's like rolling capital goes on. We need to pay to the client first on our behalf for the payment of their human resources, and then client used to pay us back for our services, and that for that we need to maintain, and it can sometimes goes minus also, negative also, due to this.
No, no,
Yeah,
understood. So basically, please correct me if I'm wrong. It means once the company gets access to public issue money, the working
right.
capital cycle will definitely get a much better kind of,
Yeah,
benefit, right?
it will boost our capital cycle. Yeah,
Okay, so I mean, fine. Okay, now going forward, without sharing a number, Shraddha ji, we have done very good numbers in FY25. Now
right.
FY26 has also already started. Without giving a number, if you could tell us, what signals you're getting from your marketing, sales teams, from your customers, how you think FY26 will shape up compared to FY25. If you could just give us a descriptive kind of
Like
update.
yeah. Actually, we are estimating like growth of up till 15 to 20% in the next year, as we are working on our system also, technology also, and definitely this IPO will be a great help to us in raising our working capital, and we will definitely grow between 15 to 20% in next year.
Okay, understood. Last question now, Shraddhaji, to you is that we ask this to all the promoters. We have seen COVID and we have seen many challenges, but
Right.
now going forward, what is the main risk in our business? Is it execution? Is it getting the right people to manage your clients? What is the most important risk which you monitor every day to ensure that there is a very smooth functioning of our company? So if you could please share your thoughts.
Yeah, for that I can say that for the smooth functioning, we are basically doing our tempered hiring so that we can maintain the capital inflow with us. And as the company, because due to many factors, economical factors, our company goes ups and downs. But we are basically through tempered hiring, we are making our working capital in cash flow so that we can go smoothly with our company's system.
Okay, no, understood. So basically, it means the runway for growth, Shraddhaji, is very large. We have got good potential to grow. That
Yeah.
is really nice to hear. Shraddhaji, one last question. Basically, just wanted this for the benefit of our investors. If you could tell us, ma'am, what is the key functional role, what you do in the company? Basically, do you look at some specific vertical, and how big is the overall, senior management team, which actually contributes to the overall growth of the company?
Yeah, very nice question to answer about. I'm basically looking after our franchisee business, which is we are having 40 plus franchisees for that and all over India. And rest in-house activities are also managing. We are having team of 250 employees. All are managing managed by Deepika ma'am and Poonam madam, and I basically look after the franchisee part of our business.
Okay, well, understood. So anyway, ma'am,
Yeah.
nice talking to you. I think in a very short interview, we could get a sense of what the company does and what are the plans of the company going forward. So please accept my best wishes, Deepika ji and Shraddha ji, and the best wishes for your forthcoming public issue also. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.